On today's episode of Crappy RV, I'm finally back in my shower inside of my RV. So, I don't know if you know or not, I don't think I've explained it to you why my shower was ripped out. So, as you know, I have a 2024 Alliance Paradigm 395DS, and we were noticing water was pooling up on both sides of the shower pan. And come to find out, here's why. So we used to have these big glass shower doors on here, and they have a frame, and the frame connected to the wall. And it's sealed all the way up and down, except right here. So water would come, it would go down here, it would find its way out of the seam, and it would pool onto the floor, and from here, it would go under the wall and soak up. That's not the only part. It was also on this side. So there was a frame here as well. The water would come out here, it would go behind there, and it would pool out right there. So that's why we had to pull it all out. We removed all the mildew and the mold, and I actually threw those 60-pound glass shower doors away, and I bought this 2-pound shower curtain. We'll see how it goes. I'll let you know. Good luck out there.